हेलो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको YouTube पर व्यूज़ या सब्सक्राइबर हासिल करने में मुश्किल पेश आ रही है तो मैं आपके लिए एक ऐसा कोर्स लेके आया हूं जिसको फॉलो करके आप विद इन 1 मंथ YouTube पर वायरल हो जाएंगे। ये एक पेड कोर्स है, मगर इस पेड कोर्स की प्राइस ना तो $100 है ना $50 है, बल्कि जस्ट $10 है। मैंने तमाम तर डिटेल इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दी है, तो जाइए और डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद डिटेल को फॉलो कीजिए। ये $10 आपकी लाइफ को चेंज कर देंगे।
Raft-building ants are a fascinating example of collective behavior exhibited by certain species of ants when faced with flooding or other water-related challenges. These ants have evolved remarkable adaptations that allow them to create living rafts to survive in water. One of the most well-known species of raft-building ants is the fire ant, Solenopsis invicta. Fire ants are native to South America but have spread to other parts of the world. When their underground nests become flooded due to heavy rains or rising water levels, they respond by forming a living raft that keeps the colony afloat. The process of raft formation begins when individual worker ants detect the presence of water. These ants secrete a sticky, water-repellent substance called hydrocarbon from their bodies. They release this hydrocarbon onto their bodies and onto the bodies of other ants, which helps to increase their buoyancy and create a waterproof surface. The hydrocarbon acts as a surfactant, reducing the surface tension of the water and allowing the ants to float. As more and more ants join the raft, they link their bodies together, forming a raft-like structure. The ants on the periphery of the raft interlock their legs and mandibles to provide stability and prevent disintegration. The ants in the middle of the raft tend to be buoyant and are positioned higher to prevent them from being submerged. The entire raft can consist of thousands or even tens of thousands of individual ants, tightly packed together. The ants in the raft exhibit a division of labor. Some ants form the base of the raft, while others are positioned on the upper layers. The upper layer ants are more mobile and can adjust their positions to maintain the integrity of the raft. They constantly move and rearrange themselves to distribute weight evenly and maintain stability. This collective effort ensures that the raft remains intact and provides a stable platform for the entire colony. The raft-building behavior also involves self-sacrifice, as some ants on the periphery of the raft may be lost to predators, such as fish or birds. However, the survival of the colony as a whole takes precedence over the survival of individual ants. The raft can stay afloat for extended periods, ranging from hours to days, until the floodwaters recede or until the ants find a suitable place to establish a new nest. Raft-building behavior is an adaptive strategy that has allowed these ants to colonize various habitats near water bodies and survive natural disasters like flooding. It demonstrates the incredible coordination and cooperation present in ant colonies, where individual ants work together to create a resilient and flexible structure that ensures the survival of the entire community. Raft-building ants, also known as army ants or driver ants, are a fascinating group of insects that display remarkable cooperative behavior. They belong to the subfamily Dorolinae, which is a specialized group of ants found primarily in tropical and subtropical regions around the world. Raft-building ants are known for their ability to form living rafts using their own bodies. This behavior typically occurs when the ants encounter a body of water, such as a flooded area or a stream, that they need to cross. By linking their bodies together, the ants create a floating structure that allows them to traverse the water without drowning. The process of raft building begins when worker ants respond to a pheromone released by other workers. who have detected the presence of water. The workers form chains by linking their legs and jaws together, creating a flexible and interconnected structure. As more ants join the chains, the raft grows in size and becomes more stable. The ants on the periphery of the raft have a critical role in maintaining the structure. They use their bodies to form a sort of living skirt around the edges, effectively enclosing the rest of the colony within the raft. This outer layer helps to keep the interior of the raft dry and buoyant. The raft-building behavior serves several important functions for the ant colony. Firstly, it allows the ants to escape from flooding or drowning, ensuring the survival of the entire colony. Additionally, the raft provides a means of transportation, allowing the ants to reach new foraging areas or establish satellite colonies on nearby land. Raft-building ants exhibit incredible coordination and cooperation to maintain the structure. The ants constantly adjust their positions and movements to balance the raft and respond to changing environmental conditions. Some ants take on specific roles, such as acting as anchors to prevent the raft from drifting away, or serving as bridges to connect separate sections of the raft. It's important to note that not all species of ants are capable of raft building. This behavior is primarily observed in certain species of army ants, such as Ecytian burchelli and Doralus spp. However, the exact mechanisms and strategies employed by different species may vary. The study of raft-building ants provides insights into the evolutionary adaptations of social insects and their ability to solve complex problems collectively. By working together and leveraging the strength and flexibility of their bodies, these ants demonstrate an impressive survival strategy that allows them to overcome challenging obstacles in their environment. I hope so now you will understand raft-building ants. Thanks for watching my content. If you like my content, press the like button. And subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you. Goodbye.